Hey you guys, it's your bestie Lucia. How do we say some popular English phrases in Chinese? Linnet Chinese is here for you. Our phrase for today is over the moon. When was the last time you were extremely happy? Was it when your parents got your little puppy? Or when you got a reward at school? And when you're extremely happy, you will say, I'm over the moon, right? In China, when my students got straight A's, they'll feel extremely happy, like they're over the moon. But in Chinese, they will say, 我高兴快乐. 高兴 meaning happy. 高喜应兴高兴 When you are very happy, you say, I am very 高兴坏了 literally means something's broken. For example, when your bike is broken, you say, my bike is 坏了 But 坏了 here means very, extremely. So, 高兴坏了 simply means you are too happy that your brain feels kind of broken. So next time, when you are extremely happy, like you're over the moon, you can say this in Chinese. 我高兴坏了 Did you get it? 你学会了吗？拜拜。